Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. Sure, let's create a Python tutorial on how to implement a cumulative dot product function, often referred to as cumdot. The cumulative dot product is a variation of the dot product that accumulates the result at each step. Here's a step-by-step guide with code examples. The cumulative dot product is a mathematical operation that involves taking the dot product of two vectors but accumulating the result at each step. It's useful in various applications, such as signal processing, finance, and statistics. In this tutorial, we'll implement a simple cumdot function in Python. Make sure you have Python installed on your system. This tutorial assumes a basic understanding of Python and linear algebra concepts. Let's start by implementing the cumdot function. Open your favorite text editor or integrated development environment, IDE, and create a new Python file. You can name it cumdot.py. Save the file and run it using the command. You should see the output. This output represents the cumulative dot product at each step of the calculation. Congratulations! You've successfully implemented a cumulative dot product function in Python. Feel free to use this function in your projects where cumulative dot products are needed. ChatGPT